Hello guys, let's welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to solve model question paper 1 with the 6th semester BE examination, and the subject is cloud computing and subject code is BCS 601 guys. Okay, read your answer any five full questions, choosing at least one questions from each module. Okay, and I don't want to waste your golden time. Just start with the question. That is model 1. See, the question is given like this: discuss in detail about the distributed system models. Okay, it will going to carry 10 marks guys. Okay, this is a gunshot question ra, don't miss it. Okay, first, we need to understand what is meant by distributed system model. Distributed system model means in general collection of nodes or collection of computers within a network. Okay, ಒಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಗೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಫ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಗನ್ನ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, after this definition you should write distributed system models helps in designing, organizing and understanding the behavior of the distributed system, and they are categorized into the three models guys. One is physical model, and second one is architecture model, and third one is that is fundamental model. Okay, the physical model means the name itself only suggesting to us guys. Physical model means how machines are physically connected. Okay, and architectural model means how the system is structured or functions are divided. Okay, and third one is that is fundamental model means how the system behaves, for example communication failure or security and other things. Okay, here is the diagram guys. You need to design or sketch on your answer sheet. That is a communication protocol. Just zoom it for your visibility. Okay, I think now visible to everyone. Okay, see here. So this diagram will going to show or how different parts of the distributed systems communicate using the protocols. Okay, you people are should written this one. Okay, see here, user are local computers. User are local computers means guys, these are the end user devices like mobile or laptops or your PC guys. Okay, now the end user can connect to the system using the links. Okay, using the links are nodes. Okay, then we will come to communication channel. As you can see guys, this is the communication channel. Communication channel act as a medium like internet or network, and that will allow the different computers to connect or talk to each other. Here is the end user, here is the server. Okay, in between it will act as a bridge between user and server or workstation. Okay, then we have to came to server or workstation right now. Okay, workstation means guys, in generally we will going to call it as powerful machines that can provide the services like database or you can say applications or web services. Okay, these services are given by the server side, and then guys, as you can see the links and nodes. As you can see, links and nodes guys, links are the connections like whether it is wired or wireless signals guys. Okay, the links is like this, and nodes ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ nodes are the devices like computers, your cell phones or your PCs guys. Okay, and finally here is the middleware means guys, middleware is a what you call a software layer that helps all these different systems works smoothly. Okay, togetherly with smoothly. So this is the work of the middleware guys. This will what you call as a vital rule while the communication protocols correctly or smoothly working at togetherly. Okay, so this is about the communication protocol diagram, guys. You must and should be written in your examination. Okay, the physical model. The physical model I already explained what is actually meaning of physical model. Physical model means how the machines are physically connected, that's all. Okay, nodes, links, middleware I already explained, and network topologies. I think in your fourth semester we will learn about the star, ring, bus, mesh in computer networks. I think this is not need to explain, guys. This is a simple thing. I think you people are very aware about this one. Okay, next, protocols, guys. Protocols means TCP. TCP means transport control protocol, and user datagram protocol. I think used for secure and efficient data exchange. Okay, I think this is a simple sentence I will to make for your better understanding purpose, guys. Okay, now this is the physical server model, guys. The This diagram is going to show the pwn pt. This is a client side. Okay, the pwn pt is going to send the request to the server. In server there is a server in the data, and it will take the response from the client side, and then it will give back to client with help of a response or a network. Through a network it will going to give back to client. So this is what we can learn in physical model, guys. Okay, now we have to come to architectural model, guys. Architectural model means how the system is structured or functions are divided. Okay, so this is what we can see in architectural model, guys. Okay, see, I will explain in simple manner for your better understanding purpose only. I will explain in general. Okay, see, client server model. Client server model means there is a one client, and there is a in between the client is connected to the servers through or via internet or network, guys. Okay, so when client is going to send one web application to the server, then server will going to response from many clients. Okay, I will explain, guys, how this will going to works. Architectural model, they can include a client server model, as we can see in a physical model. Okay, there is a one server response to the clients from different kinds. Okay, example, the client will going to deploy one website in the server side or the cloud. Then the peer to peer means all nodes are equal and share the services. Okay, for example, BitTorrent, or you can say any other data exchanges using the protocols. And layered models means organized into the layer for modular design and abstractions. Guys, layer model means the system will going to split into the layers like application layer, transport layer, and internet layer, network layer. So this is what happened in the network layer, guys. And network layer will be there na, network layer or layered model. Okay, in layered model is going to helps in clear the design and easier to troubleshooting. Okay, then you can see the microservices model. Microservices model means a small independent service performing a specific function and enhancing the scalability, enhancing the efficiency. So this is what we can done by the microservices model in architectural model, guys. This is the diagram. Actually, diagram is like this. You have to written this on the your question answer paper. Okay, the last one is that is fundamental model. Fundamental model means cover the key concepts and formal behaviorals. Okay, this is very simple, guys. Formal, that is what you call fundamental models. I think already explained this one in beginning. Okay, I will generally explain what does it mean. Okay, there is a one central server that is a powerful computer. Example, one of the powerful computer, that is one central server. and there is a multiple clients like your PC or your mobile phone or laptop, all physically connected through a network in a real world setup. Okay, in real world setup you have to write this one on your examination. Guys, ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಇನ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, server is placed in a data center and clients are different locations, whether it in home or office or America or India. Okay, different locations from the client side, and they are all connected via routers, switches or internet services. Okay, internet service providers like Amazon Azure or Microsoft EC2 or Google Cloud, whatever it may be. So this is what we can in real world setup will going to set in fundamental model, guys. Okay, and communication, that is clients are send the request, example load the website, and server will going to respond with the data. Okay, it will send back or it will send the website to the content. So this is what we can learn or we can written in your examination part. Okay, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and share and comment. Okay, if you have any doubts, please use the comment box and comment. Okay, in coming videos I will going to explain each and every model questions. Okay, if you are needed this solid cloud computing model, I will given this link in my description. If you are needed, you can go and download the PDF and read well, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.